This is Craig Newton from TT Group Communications, and I'm just going through a quick application demonstration of Citrix Receiver and also Dropbox. Both of these applications are fairly straightforward and quite easy and intuitive. So we'll get straight into it. Receiver on the left is Citrix Receiver, obviously. Now when you log into Citrix Receiver the first time, it will come up and ask you for your credentials for logging in. You'll find all of those credentials on the cheat sheet that I've provided for all of you, and also emailed all of you, so that you've got the details there. It was agreed by management that we wouldn't actually do a post on YouTube for obvious security reasons that had any links associated, so I can't actually show you how to get through to that. But once you actually get through the Citrix session, you get to this point, which is my understanding that you're very comfortable with this sort of interface. Okay, so we're going to move along to the next item. Okay, so moving on to our second product, being Dropbox. Alright, so I'm just going to enter in. Now, this is a PDF document that goes through and completely explains what Dropbox is, how you can completely operate it in a nice, simple 4-page document. So I would definitely recommend you read it. When you first log into Dropbox, you will be asked to create a Dropbox account if you don't already have one. Naturally, select the free one, which is 2 gig or less, and this will be made available to you once you go into Dropbox. And as you can see there, it's highlighted, Getting Started PDF. Now, to also demonstrate how you can share documents between devices or between users, I created from my home personal PC a folder called Craig Newton and invited the email address that I have set up with this iPad to the folder. So from now on, I can see whatever's in that folder, and it just so happens that there's one document that's pretty plain and boring. I must admit, I'm not very creative, but you can see the example. If this was a document that someone wanted to share with everybody else, you'd certainly be able to do so using Dropbox, which is a beautiful tool. And the best part about it is, if you want to share a document with 10 other people, if you email it to 10 other people, you're paying for sending that across your network and out from your network and across someone's data connection. You're paying for that by 10. Whereas with Dropbox, you just upload it and then they collect it whenever they're ready. So it's much more cost efficient on the data connection. So it's a much nicer product and a much more efficient product to use. Lovely. Alright, so that's pretty much Dropbox. There's really not that much to it. Obviously you've got the main menu, you've got a section called Photos and a section called Public where you can stick files. Anything that you see here is currently represented by what's sitting on the web, and that's exactly what's represented that is sitting on every other device that I've currently got Dropbox on. So, very nice product and very good for sharing amongst devices or amongst other people. Lovely, I think that pretty much wraps it up. So if you have any further questions, you'll find that there are definitely some power users within your office that use Dropbox. If not, refer to the Getting Started PDF. If not, refer to the website. Now, for your own information, you'll have to go to the website to be able to get the files to download for either your Mac or your PC, so that you're able to share documents across all these devices. So that's where you'll actually get the other side of the information that's not sitting in app land, so to speak. Alright, thank you very much for your time.